Hey, it's Bibby here. It's the 24th of August 2021, and I thought it's time for another update because the markets, as I thought they might do, have kind of had a bounce, and we've got to see where we're going from here. So let's get into it. So first of all, I've got on my screen the semiconductor index, which have been breaking down, and we were holding semiconductor ETF, which have been doing all of this, and really I felt it should have had support up around here, because past resistance should become future support, but it didn't. And then there was another support level potentially at this resistance point, and this seemed like a bottom here, and we fell below. So we came out, and then we've risen up here. To show you what's been going on, AMD is a great company, and it had broken down below this base here, just slightly there. So I've reset so we could say this was here, and we just went below it, which has signaled the sell, and then we reversed even lower, and then we went up to stabilize. Then we had an inside day, and now we've broken out to the upside. So this could be signaling, and if we look at the longer term chart here, this could be signaling that this is now a major breakout, and we try to go higher. We test it back. If we hold here and go higher, this on a weekly chart is the trend of longer term. So that means that this move should happen in that direction. So I'm telling you this because we sold out of a lot of things, and sod's law, we might be buying them back. But hey, the markets do what the markets do. And here's the Nasdaq, which, you know, have been trying to break up through these levels. In fact, you could even say, if we were to manage to lower that one, you know, this is a top here which it was trying to break, and then there's a bottom here which we broke below, which was hence a sell signal. But I've redrawn that here, because so before it was here, which we broke below, and then we carried on lower, and had a reversal on Thursday, and Friday was up, and Monday's up. So again, if we look at this weekly chart, we've already broken out of this trend line. If we go back, this is the trend line which was giving us resistance at the top. It broke out, and it looks like it's going higher. Too early to 100% confirm. Gold, which had, this is GLD, had plummeted. There was a freak sellout, but people were mystified why someone dumped a load of gold on the market. It could be the Federal Reserve or somebody to sort of knock out gold players. And then we went even lower, and then we had that reversal here. Then we came back up. The silver and gold, other gold shares weren't doing this, but GLD is the largest gold ETF. We then went sideways, and it looks like we're breaking out. If we look at the silver, this is PAAS, which is a great stock to hold once we're in a bull market. Couldn't find support here, couldn't find support here, broke. I know it had a really powerful day, 6% last night. So that's looking interesting. The Dow Jones Transport, you know, the COVID variant supposed to be causing problems, but that broke out of this downtrend. And if you want to even extend that to over here, it's broken out of that downtrend, and now we've broken out and we've tested back to it and risen, so, and it's going above the moving averages, so that could be telling us about potentially the market's opening. And the S&P, which have broken down through what should have been here, should have been support levels because it was resistance, broke through it, then reversed lower, and then it bounced off of this 50-week moving average and the 9 moving average. So, you know, I just want you to know that we're out, but we could be buying back at any time. So Graham Bibby saying there's the update. I'll send you more later in the week, and don't be surprised if we get more buys, and we might even get more buys in some ETFs as well, especially in Asia, which has been hammered. Okay, it's the Bibster, over and out. Bye bye.